Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am sharing a simple recipe for roasted broccoli. Let's get started. As always, please be sure to check the description box for any additional information. So I'm starting off with just a bag of broccoli florets. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and simple seasonings. Mixing everything really well to make sure that the broccoli is coated in the olive oil. Next, I'll be transferring the broccoli to a baking sheet and spacing them out. I'm baking this on 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. I'll check and flip halfway through the cooking time to make sure it gets a nice even crisp. Once it's finished, I'll season with a little black pepper and add some cheese to the top. And just like that, it's done. Very simple to make and really good. Please be sure to check the channel for some other quick and simple sides. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.